From global knowledge to local context, becoming a global master. With global vision and ability to capturing trends and creating tactics, know where to win and how to play.
From local to global, becoming a global master with a powerful brand and marketing, acquiring from the MBM program that will bring you to be the winner of the global arena.
From local to global, become a global business leader by creating a global strategy that thrives in a dynamic business environment. We need to explore business opportunity and embrace challenges not only in one country, but every country in the world.
From local to global, becoming global master with strong financial intelligence is a key to sustainable success.
From local to global, becoming a global master of financial engineering empowers you to create innovative solutions for the global financial industry by leveraging the power of mathematics, computing, and data analytics.
Chulalongkorn Business School, a life-changing journey that transforms you to become global local master with global skills and local vision.
If you dream of becoming a global leader with future-ready skills, start your journey with MBA, the program that empowers you to lead, innovate, and drive your business in an ever-changing world.
If you need to create the impact to the world and set strong direction to your company, start your journey with the MBM program, Master in Branding and Marketing. This is the only program that gives you the skills from both Chulalongkorn University and Cambridge University and brings you to the top of the world.
If you believe that the world is one competitive landscape and your goal is to be well equipped with global management, start your journey with Master of Management. Our program provides an exceptional recipe for our graduates in building a successful career in the highly competitive world.
If you have a strong passion in finance and trust in the power of mathematics, computing, and data analytics, start your journey with the MFE program, the program that provides cutting-edge expertise in applied mathematics, complemented by a strong foundation in finance and exceptional combination for building a successful career in quant finance.
In a rapidly changing world, your financial skills need to evolve even faster. Don't get left behind. Begin your journey with the Master of Science in Finance program. Experience a transformative education that combines cutting-edge theory with the real-world insights. Our program shapes future financial leaders by providing comprehensive knowledge essential for success in the global market. With our innovative curriculum and international accreditation, you will fast-track your finance career and earn globally recognized qualification.
Are you ready to start your new journey with us? The Mastery Journey leads you to become a global leader with an unrivaled local brand and strategy. Let's explore your new life opportunities and unlock your potential at Chulalongkorn Business School, one of the elite 1% of business schools worldwide with Triple Crown accreditation from AACSB, EQUIS, and AMBA. Join Chulalongkorn Business School and benefit from a curriculum that meets international standards.